WSR 400 Mini Operation Guide. First, insert the key and turn the key to unlock the vehicle. The second step is to turn on the main switch. After starting, the instrument gas light will light up to indicate that the vehicle has started normally. The third step is to turn on the vacuum device switch. The fourth step is to turn on the manual vacuum device switch of the red road and blue road. Step 5. Open the support legs on both sides. Step 6. Install the wired remote control. Step 7. Press the operating handle down and press the forward and backward buttons to control the vehicle forward and backward. Step 8. Swing the operating handle to control the direction of the vehicle. Electrically controlled main arm lifting. The maximum working height is 3 meters. Maximum lifting weight 400 kilograms. Electrically controlled main arm telescopic 500 millimeters. Electrically controlled suction cup rotates 360 degrees. Electrically controlled flip up and down 180 degrees. The left and right horizontal movement distance is 50 millimeters each. Manual side twist suction cup angle is 90 degrees to the left and right. Manually adjust the position of the suction cup to accommodate various sizes of glass. Equipped with overload warning light. Overload alarm. Vacuum switch warning light. Digital vacuum pressure gauge. Mechanical vacuum pressure gauge. Air filter. Lifting beam. Horn. Automatic braking device. Charging plug.